Today, we're taking a look at this Ioniq cargo cover trunk. Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed that this cover does not come standard with the Ioniq. If you're watching this video, then you probably know what the problem is. The problem is that if you put your items right here in the trunk, in the back area, people will definitely see. Yes, even though the back is tinted, people can easily see right through. I live in a bad neighborhood, and sometimes I go to bad areas and I park with my tools, with my stuff. I know I'm just asking for trouble. So the solution is put whatever you want in the trunk and then use this cover to cover everything up. Installation is really easy. All you have to do is pop one end into this slot right here. The rod is spring loaded. So go ahead and press the rod in towards the center so that you can squeeze it into this other hole right here on the other end, on the right hand side. If you did everything correctly, this is what it should look like. Now, if you want the cover, go ahead and squeeze it in to the slot and then let go. Oops, I didn't do it correctly for the right hand side. Let's do it again. There we go. Now it looks good. The whole thing feels like it's made from vinyl, and hopefully it should last a very long time. Now you can put whatever you want in the trunk and nobody can see it. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to cover up the trunk of the Ioniq 5. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.